Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the S.t.a.k.e content is active in your copy, DLC installed or mod enabled. Once done, load a save near the village entrance and equip a shotgun and 9mm pistol. You need reliable crowd control. Make sure you hold at least 3 free inventory slots for parts and the final item. After that, open your map, set a waypoint to the ruins or DLC drop zone, and move out cautiously, checking side rooms for early parts. Once at the ruins, prioritize finding the S.t.a.k.e schematic. It usually sits inside a locked chest or behind a simple environmental puzzle. While searching, farm nearby enemies, they drop mechanical parts like gear, blade, and housing, and loot containers for screws and wiring. You'll also encounter a single lever or pressure plate puzzle that unlocks the final chest. Solve it by repositioning weights or aligning symbols. Keep checking corners and shadowed alcoves. Missing any part stops assembly. At the workbench, place the schematic and the collected parts into the assembly slot and confirm the build. The game will consume components and produce the S.t.a.k.e. Equip it directly from inventory and test it on a weak enemy to verify damage and durability. If assembly fails or item is missing, retrace your path to previously cleared areas and check enemy spawn points and unopened chests. Sometimes drops or chests respawn. If a mod causes issues, verify mod load order.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.